So here in Clovis, California, we just finished installing a garbage disposal. It's the Evolution by InSync Aerator. It's the Space Saver XP, and that was provided by the homeowner. New pigtail line cord coming off the bottom was installed by the homeowner as well, so that's plugged in and works correctly. He's got an air switch up on top of the countertop, so that's working good. We did install a different flange. He got the oil rub bronze flange to match his faucets up here. So the chrome one comes with the garbage disposal. We just chucked that and we use the oil rub bronze. He also did provide a Kohler oil rub bronze basket strainer. Very nice product. Thumbs up for Kohler. We love this mounting system. Any plumber will appreciate that. A lot of faucets are starting to give you that option where you've got the little screws that you can tighten things down with instead of spinning a nut round and round and round and trying to tighten it and hold that basket strainer in place. This, you tighten it up to within a 1/4 inch of that bracket on top, which is this colored bracket, and then a rubber gasket, and then these stainless steel screws set everything in place. So real nice there. And then we went ahead and put in some new tubular extensions. So we've got a little tubular extension at the top, which is sitting right here, a little tiny piece right there coming, and that's the tail piece coming off of the basket strainer. Then we have this telescoping disposal kit. That's the first section, the T with the baffle in it. A little extension to get down to the trap because the waste is roughed in a little low. Then a tubular P-trap. We just cut back the old existing one back in here. Cut it, had some pipe left back in there, put the adapter on. So everything is nutted and comes apart. You can clean this out, take all these nuts apart, and everything works real good with there. You can see that the telescoping kit, it was almost too long. We had another kit here with just a little shorty, but we like this one because you can move that in and out, back and forth inside of there. It telescopes in and out. And then, of course, with the Evolution comes that little clamp, and that little white plastic comes with the installation. They give you a 90 and a straight piece to tie in. So we've run water down this. Everything looks good. There's no conflict with any of the piping back there. The cold valve is a dual. You can see these shut-off valves. They're pretty nice. The cold one over here, when it's turned off, right there, it hits the back of the disposal, but it does shut off. When it's on, there's no conflict, so not a problem. Everything in here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.